Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so how are you guys doing and how has your week been? So you're welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually reduce and lose those fat cells at your tummy area, your thigh, and also your back. Okay, so this is an amazing yet very strong and powerful ingredient that would actually help you to do that. Now, for you to achieve your results, you would have to forgo some things like sweet drinks, soda, too much of carbohydrates, too much of eating heavy food, and all of that. Okay, so that is when you know that when you're drinking this, it's going to be very, very effective. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and let's go. Alright guys, let me show you guys how to lose some percentage of your fat cells in just 5 days using this. This is green bell pepper, and it has to be the green one, y'all. Okay, so when it comes to removing fat and when it comes to an healthy living, you'll be needing to use green bell pepper. Now, in this particular belly fat remedy, you're not going to be needing the seeds. The only thing you're going to be needing, yeah, the seed. Yeah, the seed. The only thing you're going to be needing is just the body of this pepper. Bear it in mind, it's not a harsh pepper at all. The nutrients in it helps so much in, you know, stimulating your fat cells, so it could actually go out when you pooped. What I'll do is that I'll grab this. And this is it. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is very important, which we need so much, is lemon. Now, lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so much when it comes to reduction of belly fat. It works so well in nourishing the skin because it contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin E, D, and C, and it's also great for reducing or flushing out colon, flushing out your flushing out waste, literally. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting the lemon. And then we're going to be squeezing the lemon into the pepper. Guys, so I'll have to be putting a little water so we can actually blend this very well. Okay, so I'm done blending now, And the next thing I'm gonna do is to sieve this out. And then the very next ingredient, which is very important, which we need a whole lot, is apple cider vinegar. Now, when you're actually using apple cider vinegar, you have to use the one that contains the mother in it, and it has to be organic. Now, apple cider vinegar is a great remedy that works so well in removing belly fat, and it also helps so much in flushing out toxins from the body. It shrinks fat cells. Mixing it up with this drink will make it actually work really well and effective too. So I'm going to be mixing 2 cups of this apple cider vinegar into this, and after doing that, then I'll have to stir it. Okay guys, so after that we're going to equally be needing cucumber for this. Now, cucumber is an amazing fat reduction remedy. The juice in cucumber works so well in removing fat cells and also making you glow from the inside out. It also helps so much in flushing out toxins, and it fills you up. That's if you're actually taking the juice plus the fiber. It helps to fill you up a whole lot. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting just a little here because I have also a little that was remaining. And then I would have to be cutting it this way. Okay guys, so after that is done, then I'll have to blend this. So after blending this, then I'll have to sieve it out. Okay, so this is it, and now I would have to be turning the pepper into the cucumber, and this is our 5 days belly fat juice. Okay, this is an amazing ingredient. The ingredients are very friendly for even an ulcer patient, or even if you're just, giving birth and you just want to flush out, some fat, flush out all of that. You can try this. And you can also use this very early in the morning and late in the night. Okay, so 2 times a day will be fine. So that's it, guys. Now, do you know that all of these things that I've actually shown you in this video is something that is also medicinal? Not only will it remove those fats, but it is also medicinal for our bodies. So go give this a go, and I'm very sure you're going to be loving it. It's going to be amazing. It's going to help you so much. And yeah, alright, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you. Bye.